channel. Today, I'm going to be discussing about lesson plan and 10 steps to plan a lesson. A lesson plan is a teacher's guide that outlines the objectives, activities, and assessment methods for a specific lesson. It helps teachers organize and deliver effective instruction. Here are the simplified steps for creating a lesson plan. 1. Identify learning objectives. Clearly define what you want students to learn or be able to do by the end of the lesson. 2. Determine prior knowledge. Assess what students already know about the topic to tailor your instruction accordingly. 3. Plan engaging introduction. Start the lesson with an activity or question to capture students' interest and connect it to the topic. 4. Break down activities. Outline step-by-step instructions for each activity or teaching method you'll use during the lesson. 5. Incorporate differentiation. Consider students' diverse needs and abilities, and plan how to accommodate and challenge them appropriately. 6. Use visuals and materials. Prepare any visual aids, handouts, or resources you'll need to support the lesson. 7. Check for understanding. Plan questions or checkpoints throughout the lesson to assess students' understanding. 8. Assess learning. Decide on a formative assessment method, for example quizzes, discussions, observations to evaluate students' progress. 9. Summarize key points. Recap the main ideas covered in the lesson and make connections to future learning. 10. Reflect and adjust. After the lesson, reflect on its effectiveness and consider any changes or improvements for future teaching. Remember, a lesson plan is a flexible guide that can be adjusted based on your students' needs and your teaching style. Keep it concise, but make sure it includes all the necessary information for a successful and engaging lesson. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and tricks.